And as far as this trend report is concerned, this is already emailed to you on 18th November for weekly trends. The reference price 8070 is being taken. Real-time volatility is for estimating 14.20% is being taken. Based on that, we got these readings, and today morning market open at 8,100 and in a spike it has gone to 8,109. For that reason only, always I used to say, give some 10 to 15 minute time for the price to settle down. So if 9:15 market opens, you must enter your trade around 9:30. 10 to 15 minutes, just give a time so that let the price to settle down. If you have given this time, then most probably you would have got the sell entry 8032 level. You would have sold, and along with that also I have recommended you must hedge it with 8050 call. So let me put this 8050 call option in my screen. So 8030 level. So 8050 call options of 24th November I recommended. So 40 rupees it is trading now. Definitely it was 5152 level, maybe you would have entered, or say 55 level you would have entered. Sell trade in Bank Nifty along with the, sorry, I have just put a wrong thing here, 8050 call. So here 48 rupees it is trading. So maybe some 55 or 60 rupees range you would have entered this if you are initiated a weekly position in the Nifty. So as far as the intraday position is concerned, this never changes. This intraday position never changes throughout the day as per the 1SD. Only cycles will change, reference price will change. So today at 9:30, I have taken this reading before just logging into the system. If I just log in now and do a calculate also, I won't get any changes in this. Only reference price has changed 8014. So if I can see that open 807 8100, it has opened 78 my sell entry, 64 till 64 I can enter, till 0.382 retracement level I can enter, and I have all these targets, and these two targets are my death zone. Means from here there is a probability to range, there is a probability of trend change is expected. So my first target is 8043. Successively I have achieved this. Then day slow 8012 I have, if I go by this reading, second target also I achieved. Third target I have not come here. So third target 0.888 target also you can see. So here I am taking the view in the screen view. That's why all Fibonacci retracements I am not getting here. If I go to the web view, I can get all these retracements. So two views we are given. So 888 target was 888 target in the downside. It was 8018 level. 8018 was your 888 target. 0.888 Fibonacci target, that also you have achieved. So 8012 level you have come, so that also you have achieved successfully. And after achieving this particular level, next is 7985, and you can go on with this. But some good clues I can give you so that you can make a maximum benefit of this particular trade. Suppose if you have entered, you got a couple of targets. Third target has come, fourth target is come, and we are expecting now that yes, the final target of 7950 may come. Nothing wrong at this point of time. After these things, listen it very carefully. I have already achieved the first target, second target, third target. I am expecting the fourth and fifth to come. Nothing wrong at this particular time if I can sell one 7950 put option. 7950 put option. I have sold Nifty here 8078 to 64 range. This range anytime you can sell, and you must hedge it. So whatever the hedging strikes, you can means choose a nearest strike of 8,100 call or anything. So after initiating this trade, after achieving some 2 or 3 targets, if you just sell a put option near to the final target, it is not a mistake. It is going to enhance your profitability. How? So once you sell this 7950 put option here in intraday basis, this we are talking about intraday. In intraday basis, once you sell here, as per Fibonacci proportion, it says if the price changes and crosses this 8042, means from death zone it crosses, then there is a chance that the trend change will happen in the opposite direction. As long as that is not happened, you cannot expect the trend change to happen. So just sell it here. Once the price comes to 8027 or 42 level, just close that put option and wait for some more time. Again, if it is pressing to target 5 or target 6, you can again further sell it. So you can sell this put option and oscillate as many times as it gives you the chances, so that you can get bigger profit in the trade. So you can get the bigger profit in the trade. So this is how you should trade it in the Nifty. 18,587. So 19,012, if you are selling the Bank Nifty, you have a expectation till 18,587. This is your expectation. So this is the expectation. So why this third target and fourth target is being given this one color? Because as per the Fibonacci principle, most of the trend change happens at this point of time. So this is known as a death zone. In technical terms, we used to say Fibonacci death zone. So this is nothing but if the price comes to 18,843, then it has a higher probability to move and change the trend, and if it is broken successfully, then you can get a higher target. So this is the meaning of this death zone. And once this particular cycle ends, the second cycle starts, third cycle starts. So cycle is nothing but in a day, maximum how many trend cycles can continue, because this is once it is completed, it is a growth retracement till 1.618 it has achieved. Beyond that what? Beyond that what? So this is how second cycle starts, third cycle starts if the trend continues. If you again wants to take a reading after this target is achieved, post this target is achieved, again recalculate the levels in the 1SD trends, you will get a fresh level. So follow that. That is also another way you can follow. So this is the things you have got, how much you have achieved today. So we have started the session at 10 o'clock, 9:30 onwards you can take. 18,864 you have achieved. 18,684 you have achieved. So your 1.236 target is this one, 18,705. 684 you have achieved. So couple of points below this level also you have achieved. So very in line with the expectation, whatever we have expected, mostly we have achieved. Only the last target is remaining. As I told you, once you achieve the second or third target, better try to write some options close near to the last target, so that you can have a chance to oscillate, whether you will have a chance to speculate on that or oscillate on that. So this is also you can able to do, but that is a purely your choice. It is not that if you do not want to make your trade complex, if you do not want that, no, why should I take make a complex trade, then better whatever the profit comes, take it out and come out from the trade. If you just want to speculate, if you are in front of the system and you want to speculate, then write up some options here and just speculate for a couple of times if you want. So that option must be a strike near to the final target. So that should be your objective of speculation. So this is how you have done, means this is for the intraday trade of Bank Nifty. This is the intraday trade of the Nifty. And we have also given a very fantastic feature in this particular software, 1SD software. Whatever the analysis you have done on day-to-day basis for past 20-30 days, if you want to test that, whether what are the analysis I have done, so you can do that also. So you just, we have given an option today or from to, and you just, if you go for a search here, whatever the analysis you have done on time basis, so you have got a got a here got a here all the values. So 10 o'clock, 10 to 9:44, 9:23, all these times, whenever I just did this analysis, I can find out that, and you can also view this analysis. So we have done, these are the things, and view the analysis here. You can view the analysis here. So whatever the analysis we have done on that particular day, so that also we can able to view. So this software has a facility to record your trades and to give you the analysis as and when you want. As and when you want, you can able to check it. I have done a weekly analysis, I have not saved it. So just go through this feature, just log into that panel and try to trace your trade records, and you can find out that what are the trades you have done. Besides that, we have also given you the features of options. So let me go to the options and explain you something on the options, how I can do a trade in the options. Bank Nifty weekly options are not there, we have not enabled, because weekly options is highly toxic for intraday trade. So I am going for Nifty monthly options, and whenever I am going for the Nifty monthly options, data is loaded. I am going for this native. Once the data is loaded, how you can initiate the trades and analyze this thing, just to do a calculate and find out same trend levels will come. Yes, Nifty 8,122 above uptrend, 8078 below downtrend. This is the trend analysis you have done. You have not selected any strike, you have not chosen what you have to trade here. And the volatility of that Nifty is now putting at 21.87. This is the volatility of Nifty, Nifty uptrend, Nifty downtrend. These are the calculations we got. So though we are at now 10-15 times, so we have achieved couple of targets. That's why we are getting these things. So 80112 is the reference price. So if you are an option trader, you have to buy a put option. If you are an option buyer, you have to buy a put option when the Nifty will come below 8078 or between 8078 to 8064 level. You can think of buying a put option. When the Nifty will be in the 8,122 to 8135 range, you have to buy a call option. So if you are buying a put option at when the Nifty future is in the range of 8078 to 8065, so which strike you should choose? Definitely a strike near to this one. So I can think of a strike, if it is a downtrend, I can think of a strike of 8050 put option. 8050 put option. So that is the nearest strike I can think of. And that time you need to calculate and get the values. So if I could have bought that 8050 put option, I could have bought at a range of 52, 56 range, and you can say that 8027 level, my 74 is the value, and 798598, and currently at 8012, so it is 82 rupees range it is trading. So implied volatility also 22.88 of that option. Delta, gamma, vega, all things you have done it. If we could have started the session quite earlier, we could have seen these things, and if you are having the software, you can have initiated this particular trade. So this is how you should choose a strike. First, analyze the price. I'll summarize these things. First, analyze the future price, load the data, analyze the future price, and post that you need to choose a strike. So choose a strike near to the downtrend starting point, the put option, and choose a strike near to a uptrend price point for a call option, say 8121 level one. Once it comes, I can go for 8150 call option, 8100 call option, anything of this choice I can go for. So this is how you can choose a strike for making a trade. And once you choose a strike, done an analysis, then once that price comes, you can initiate that trade. So this is how you can trade in the options, for particularly for intraday. But many other type of trades also you can initiate in the options. So if you are a buyer of our Smart IT tool, which is quite advanced tool, we have many other options also there. We have a option arbitrage there. We have a option positional there. So if you are, so that has many other tools. So if you are going for Smart IT, it has option intraday, positional and arbitrage. So if you are going for index future, same way, load the data. So once the data is loaded, so we have to, so call options or put option, strikes will come here. So I need to first data downloaded, I have calculated, I will get the analysis here. So here now 8019 level, the price has changed. Volatility has changed now. Volatility has changed now. So it has impacted something on the pricings. Volatility has changed. So it has impacted something on pricings. 8042 level uptrend is sitting because now it is 8020 level, and 7996 below downtrend is sitting. And this software's reading will be quite different because it is a advanced tool, it has a higher cost, it has a advanced programming feature. 1SD is based on only one principle, however this is based on many other principles. So do not correlate the value comes here and there. The 1SD reading alone will be equal, but when it comes to option it is different. So now the volatility changed, reference price is 8019. So uptrend it is telling 8043 above, downtrend 7996 above. Can anyone will tell me if uptrend breakout gives which call option I should buy? Can anyone will tell me if the 8043 comes, which strike option I should buy? So most of you are coming with one thing that yes, 8050 above means 8050 call option. 8050 to 8100 call option also I can buy. So I am just choosing the call option 8050. So when this reference is being taken, 8050 call option was 49, calculate. So this is what it is telling. 8050 call option, do record this particular event. So 8050 call option, if you are going to buy at 60, keep a 49.59 as your 49.66 as your stop loss, and the targets will be 66, 72, 78, and then in a day if it is going to expand a target of 8136, you can get 118 rupees. So this is what it is telling. If the uptrend gives you that, and that buy that 8050 call option at level of 60. If the downtrend comes, which strike we should choose? Can anyone will tell me? If downtrend, currently we are at 8019. If the downtrend breakout gives, then which strike should be chosen? 8000 strike? 8000 strike. So I have taken the 8000 strike here, put option I have to choose, and 8000 strike I have to take. And when 8019 reference is being taken, its premium was 54. Now calculate it. If you are buying that option, you should buy at 64.73 in downtrend breakout point. Keep a stop loss 45. These are the targets for intraday. So this also I am recording this thing, and we'll just save it so that day and which side that it has given the breakout. Based on that, what happened, that we have to see. Besides that, we have a facility here, option arbitrage. Once you click only in this, just after loading this thing, It will tell you how much arbitrage values are there. This is the fair value of a put option, 26 rupees, 21 rupees fair value, 26 trading, 5 rupees excess, 7950 actual 37, fair value 34, 3 rupees excess, 8050 actual 76, fair value 78, 2 rupees lesser. So like this way you are getting a fair value and excess value. Based on that, if I wish to enter a trade on put side, say 8000 it has come, 7996 level it has come. My trend is 7996. I have touched this 7996 downtrend. At that particular time, 7900 put option 5 rupees extra and 8000 put option is only 41 paisa extra. So if I buy one 8000 put option at that particular time and sell one 7900 put option, so my expectation will be 5 rupees here, 5 rupees and 14 paisa, and here I am 7900 and 8000 having a excess value of 41 paisa. So I can earn a riskless money of 0.41 means 4 rupees and 73 paisa, 4 rupees and 73 paisa of arbitrage value I can earn in this. Sell option having a excess value, buy option having a lower value. Nothing wrong if you can buy 8050 so that you can get a bigger value. So though it comes 2 rupees, 1 rupees currently it is coming 2 rupees, 1 rupee because in the last week you may not get much arbitrage opportunity. However, if you just go to the second month series, you will find a very wonderful opportunities here. Second month series if you are going and just see that how much arbitrage is there. In month of December, if you can just go, find out how much arbitrage is there. Here, these strikes you look into all because of downtrend, the calls are premiums are lesser. See this arbitrage values 30 rupees, 40 rupees in one lot itself, some 2800, 3000 value of arbitrage opportunity is there. Just you need to plan a option strategy to take this arbitrage to your benefit. That is what you have to do. For that you need to learn. You need to learn a little bit on the option strategy. You need to get a expertise in the option strategy so that you can one lot itself. If you multiply with the 75, 3000 to 4000 value of arbitrage opportunity is there. Just you have to plan it with a complex option strategy to take it, convert it to a profit. And this arbitrage positions also called as a riskless trading. You can use it for intraday also, you can use it for positional also. And if you pay a very lesser brokerage intraday, if you are taking a huge positions on the arbitrage also, it gives you good gain. So arbitrage opportunity or the arbitrage trades are very simple, wherein you have to just identify in the downtrend, you have to enter in the downtrend breakout, you need to enter in the put side, uptrend breakout, you have to enter in the call side. While entering in the put side, as I have given one example for this month, you need to buy a strike which is having lesser arbitrage value, means as per the arbitrage it has a lesser value. You have to sell a option having a higher arbitrage value. Suppose in this case if I am buying 8050 and selling 7900 options, then here I am just getting 32 rupees and here I am paying 28. So 4 rupees is only arbitrage value I can enjoy. So I have received 32, paid 28, so 4 rupees only the balance money which can come to me in the day of end of the day. So that also we can, so this is how also we can do it. Sometimes there's a difference when it is 8, 9 rupees, 10 rupees, it makes very promising. So that time you have to, that time you need to make a good gain you can able to make in this. So that is so intraday. So this is if you are going for intraday new levels, as I told you. So the new levels as for this Nifty, you have got this Nifty future levels differently. You can also take this particular level now. Already as for the 1SD, you have achieved specific targets. Specific targets are already being achieved. So you have come below 8012 level or 8010 level we have already achieved. So 8010 level, 8017 we are trading. You can think of this level now. So from now onwards, the remaining part of the day, price fall below 7995, we can sell the Nifty. If you have not utilized that things for intraday, you can utilize these particular levels. These are the volatility levels. These are volatility pricing levels. 1SD you can give you a second cycle, in that you can go for. However, volatility levels 8041 level you can buy Nifty for a target of maximum target of 8135. You can think of selling 7995 level for a target of 7901. Hedge it with the appropriate option near to that particular strike for intraday trade. So this also you can do for intraday trade. And as I told you, on so positional option, same way we have to do. Only thing is that whichever the position we are going to take so that minimum 3 days, maximum 10 days. So if you because we do not have 3 days remaining post this thing, so I'm just taking this 2 days period. So you can positional trades also you can able to do in this order. So fine. So this is how you should trade in the option arbitrage, option intraday, option positional, using the 1SD software. And when you come to our Smart IT software, it has all additional features which is not available in this particular software. And besides that, we have many other events also for the traders. We are having a 1-year trade mentoring program. Just we have started. You can get the details on this seminar link. What is that program, what you are going to learn, wherein you will be given extensive training on the live market, how to trade. So it is just started. It is not yet formulated to a great extent. Maybe from the next month beginning, that program is going to be intensified. So just this month we have just started some primary session. One session is only over. If you want to enroll for this particular program also, you can think of this. All our products details you can get it here. So the two softwares what I have shown you, the Smart IT, this has all option tools including 1SD and other things. This is a software I have shown you, and I have also shown you the 1SD software, which is just an entry-level software to do intraday and positional trades. It lacks many option tools. Option arbitrage is not there, option positional is not there. However, Smart IT you can get all those tools. And implementation wise, as I told you, while implementing our levels, you must hedge. So weekly reports, we got a downtrend in Nifty, we have hedged it. And let me see whether we have, yes, we have also got the downtrend in the Bank Nifty. So there is a spike here. So Bank Nifty, if you can look into 85.97, it has come. So our Bank Nifty buy entry was 19,173. We have not got, but however, we have got a sell entry here, 18,786, and we are 667. The first target we are expecting 667.60. Only first target has come. Just to see, whenever you compare these levels with this calculation, you will get many strange experience from this. So here, Here we have calculated on 18th and given you. See the day's low what has made. See the day's low till this low may be changed. Now this day's low is 18,667.60 and this is the calculated figure. This is the first target calculated figure. So all these price points whatever is calculated, it gives you on means a feel that in days low basis, opening basis, closing basis, these levels are being obligated. So that is very important. Yes, you calculate something, it never comes. Then what kind of trend calculation it is? You calculate something, this is not a forecast, it is just a calculations based on specific method. So we have calculated something and it has come on the screen. So that is the benefit of this particular method. We calculated, we have achieved. Till this point, just now we have, it has come, some 40 paisa difference it has come. So similar kind of experience you can also get. Trading days are still there, trading time is still there. We can get much more levels here. And many of you are asking me about this real-time volatility. Many of you used to send me the email. This is from how we are getting. This is a very rigorous process to get it. I cannot able to make it in an Excel sheet or anything. It is through our year-long research. We have found out, formulated a specific process, programmatic process, not a process of just addition subtraction. There is a specific programmatic process we have found out by mean of which we are getting it. So this is the heart and soul of this particular method, and this is a prototype of ours. That is you can say that is the secret of all our methods, because so far we have brought many. It is not related to VIX. It is no way related to VIX. There is nothing to do with the VIX in this. It is a very rigorous process of calculating. It starts with from Monday. On Friday only we gather all data. On Friday only we can able to calculate this volatility. So in case there is a gap up or gap down also, nothing to worry about that. The software will adjust those levels. Nothing to worry about that. So this volatility what we are calculating, it is through a very rigorous process of data capturing and with a great data mining activity we are doing, then only we can able to get that things. So here now see that level is gone. Now it is 630, it has come. 7996 it has come. Is it coinciding with any of our levels? 7996 it has come. Though intraday level it is coinciding. So 7991 is our calculated 0.5 level. So day end level you will definitely say that something means close to that you can get it. So our intraday levels whatever we have calculated as per the 1SD. So 7996 was one of 7985 was one of the level. So 96 till 96 we have come in this. So day end you can experience that most of your calculated points are get validated on the screen. That is very important feel for a trader. I calculated, I achieved. I have calculated, but I have never achieved that. The calculation point never come close near to that. So this is how we have done it. 1SD has only one option tool, Smart IT 3 option tools. And in equity future analysis, you have 5 different studies. Average out study, you can follow any one study. You can follow volatility or 1SD. Volatility we came 5 to 6 years before. It is successfully, many people are using till this point. Till today, few thousands of traders are still using volatility. They are happy with that. And 1SD we just come last year. So that is also similar kind of method. However, in volatility we programmed the Gann, Elliott and Fibonacci together. Based on the change in volatility will change the method. In 1SD we are just taking the Fibonacci. Accuracy wise both gives the similar accuracy, no change in that. However, here it has some extra features. You want to say that, okay, after 5-6 studies, how many studies are now supporting a buying and how many are supporting a sell? So, or how many are neutral? So these are the things you can get it here. So that features you won't get it there. You have a pair trade, you have some. So if you want to make a best use of all the things, all softwares, get a gross view on that, then this is a choice. But if you're a small trader, you don't want to sponsor a lot into this software. So you may think of OneSD, which is, though it is a based on one concept, but it is a valid concept. Valid concept, it works. So this is how you can make a choice of the product. It has a, based on your trade capacity, based on your trade objective, you can initiate. So here 7982 it has come now, and you are also 18,584. 18,584 and 79,584. So this is also very close to one of our target, 18,584, second target, death zone. And here also first target you have already achieved. First target has not come, 7971 we are expecting, and 7971 we are expecting 81 point, we have 81 till 81 we have come. So the very definition of this method is, on the day end, whatever the day's low, day's high, all these things is coming, it will be get validated as per our calculations. So that is the beauty of this particular method. Vinayak ji is asking, your eyes, 1 level is getting in line. First you have seen 67 was a low is being made, then it has moved up. Then you have seen 18,583 level, 82 level it has made, and it has moved up. Now it is 18,556 level has come. However, our next level is 18,530. That also for the Bank Nifty. And here you have seen 32 has come, 9 has come, 791 level, it was little consolidating. Now we are expecting 72 level, I do not know, yes, 72.5. 72.5 is has come, and 72 level we have calculated first target. So these levels are, whenever he is coming, it is finding, giving a little support, and it is again successively breaking the new level. So this is how it is. Whatever the weekly levels are being given, it is validating one by one. You can use the trailing stop loss as mentioned in this particular note. How to trade after getting first target, what will be your trailing stop loss, what will be the next trailing stop loss. Same concept you can follow. Whatever the one is the intraday calculations we have done for the Nifty, 7985 level we have already achieved. Final target 7950 we are expecting. 7950 we are expecting. And for Bank Nifty, 18,587 level we have expected the final target, which has successfully achieved. Now the second cycle also entered. Second cycles, the first target will be getting 18,518. So that level we are waiting for. So whatever we have calculated at 9:30 time, most of those things we have achieved. Everything is one lot, Mr. Amar Sindeji. Whenever you hedge, I am not telling you any complex hedging here. I have not told you any complex hedging here. If you are buying one future, you should hedge it with one option. I have never made it complex by selling some options. Many other ways you have given. I have also told you this is not the only one way you can hedge. I have also told you I am using a call long simple option strategy to demonstrate this. However, you can write any option, do any option strategy of your choice. So this is not the only one strategy you can form. Categorically, I have told Amarji here, this is not the only one strategy. Many strategies you can form. So that is based on your requirement. So I have taken the recording. If the things comes good, I will share with you. So fine. So this is how we have So this is how we have traded today. Levels what we have calculated on 18th for weekly levels. We have experienced one level, it has come in front of our eyes. Though it is the first day of the week, the day's low basis and finding a support on that particular level and bouncing back and again giving a breakout in the next level. All these things you have experienced today in the live market. And all these calculations has not done today for weekly level. 18th November it is being given to you. So if you are contradicting this particular theory, I can say you that why 7972.5 it has found. Why close near to this? Whether I have told someone to make it, yes, which that power also I do not have. Did I tell someone in the exchange that you should bring it to 7972 level, only 50-60 paisa difference? I didn't say that. So this says that the calculation method adopted for calculating this particular trend has that authenticity, has that power to calculate the trends properly. Whether you accept it or not, after this happening in front of your eyes, whether you accept it or not, but this is the truth. This calculation has that power to calculate the trend precisely. And using the trailing stop loss, many of you are asking, I have given a very brief explanation here. If it achieves the first target, then revise the stop loss to this one. So in the uptrend basis I have given first target here, trailing stop loss you are putting it here. Second target you are getting till 0.5 level you can take. Third target you are getting, here I am little bit becoming conservative, I am bringing it to 0.786. Fourth you are getting, bring it to this thing. So the same way for downtrend. First target you have got, that is now the trailing stop loss will be 8009. Second target you are achieving 0.5 level 7991. Third target you are achieving here, bring it to 0.786, and fourth bring it to 0.888. Like this way you go on trailing. Once the trailing triggers, come out from the trade. The objective of using a trailing stop loss is to enhance the profit. However, if you are satisfied with the profit, there is no need to use the trailing stop loss, come out. If you are satisfied with the trading, if you are satisfied with the profit, then better to come out. So trailing stop loss, if it triggers, come out, or if you are satisfied with the profit, you can come out. Why to make the trades more complex? I am satisfied, I am getting some 2000, 3000, whatever the gain. So let me come out. What is the problem in that? Maybe you will be coming out at second target, someone will be coming out at third target. So do not repent for that. Whatever you got, that was as per your capacity, you have got it. As per the calculation, you got it. Do not repent for that. Whatever you get, be happy with that and stick to that, and just go aim for a second trade. And there is nothing, if you get all the targets here, then is nothing to cry that what trade next day I will do. You have already achieved the targets for the week. Take that, encash that profit, watch the market. If second opportunity comes, then make the money, or else leave it. What is the problem in that? Just every day by chasing, we cannot get the market. Fine. So with this, I will be ending today's session. This is not a great cost for a trader who is just trading with one lot of Nifty. He is always exposed to 2 to 3,000 rupees loss. Just follow a process. When the trend breakout gives, just buy or sell and hedge it. This is the simplest process you have to go. Do not include any complexity in your trade. If you are satisfied with the first, second or third target, come out of that. Enhance the means make the profit and come out. If you do not want to bother yourself with lot of hard stops of the hedgings and all. Once you get a first, second target, just come out with that, with a profit whatever you have got it. So And this kind of stuffs only you can get it from the Smart Finance domain. All our courses are designed with these unique concepts. What is the uniqueness of Fibonacci? Whatever I have told here, you cannot find in any other book it is being written that Fibonacci can be utilized with one standard deviation formula in this way. This is our own innovation. So similar kind of stops you can get in all our courses. And all our courses, if you want to again read, experience something, it costs you 17,500, which includes 6 printed books, 16 DVDs, and all our softwares. We also have one more software option strategy. If you want to own all these products along with 1 year's training program, 22,500, you just want to use the 1SD concept, that also comes at a very lower price, 2,750. Any further query related to products, you can call to our sales number which is flagging here. We'll be glad to answer you. Whenever you are using our 1SD trend report, weekly report, if you have any query, you can just send a email to me. I'll respond to you that. Same email what you are getting, just reply to that. I'll respond to all your queries, all your difficulties to implement this report in your trade. So these are the supports we can able to give you. Beyond that, it is your wish. Beyond that, it is your luck whether to accept it or not. If you are still blind-eyed and you still think that no, this is not a fake method, I cannot use it, then it is your wish. There is no compulsion in that. I have proven, I am satisfied. So you have seen, if you are satisfied, then you can implement. If you have not satisfied, then better discard it, follow a better method which gives a better success. So with this, I'll be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I have taken the recording. If the